All I can say is Zimbabwe is a beautiful country.
This is Zimbabwe. Uptown Harare is filled with modern buildings and decor and upscale restaurants with a wide range of local and international food options.
You can actually divide it into two sides of Harare, like this downtown side and the uptown side.
In part 1 of our Uptown Downtown feature, I explored downtown Harare as a Jamaican living in Zimbabwe. As our regular viewers know, I married a Zimbabwean, moved to Zimbabwe, and we created this channel for the rest of the world to see Africa through our experiences. So today, I'm taking you to see a little of the uptown side of Harare, Zimbabwe. There's very little shown in mainstream media of this side of African countries and the personal development and strides made by local people to modernize their living standards. Many of my fellow Jamaicans have been surprised by the side of Africa we've shown them in our videos. Now we've been balanced by showing you downtown in part 1. Let's head uptown for part 2. Let's pick up where we left off from Sam Levy's village. It's a popular location for shopping and entertainment uptown. The crowd here is noticeably more diverse and seem a lot less bothered than people downtown. Ooh, they have a roller skating place. Let's get in and check it out. I had no idea there was a roller skating rink in Harare. I'd never been roller skating. So will today be the day? Rollers is a 3-in-1 stop. They offer roller skating, virtual reality gaming, and dining.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Rollers. So we have skating, and we also have gaming and virtual reality outside. And then in the middle here we have a cafe. So we have wonderful food.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What type of guests do you usually have?
Well, it depends on the day and the time. So Friday, Saturday, afternoon, morning, it's kids, and then after 6 it's adults.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we
Okay.
also have a bar, so adults like coming in the evening.
Nice. I didn't know there was a roller skating place there.
Yeah,
Pretty cool.
It's kind of new, but not really new.
Nice. All right, thanks. So we'll
Alright,
come
thank you.
through and check it out. All right. Today is not the day. I didn't come prepared to skate, and I need to show you guys as many places as I can before the day ends. So this is the other side of Sam Levy's village. Pizza Hut is my favorite. No offense, Pizza Inn. And if you want to check out a movie, they also have a spot for movies. Okay, there's a movie theater here. And just outside is a Mercedes-Benz outlet. But all I can do is go window shopping. Who said there aren't nice cars in Zim? Look at these beauties. So let's head to the next stop. We want to take you guys to show you an example of what modern residential areas uptown look like. Now, we're not taking you to see millionaire houses. Mind you, there are many mansions here in Zimbabwe in Borrowdale Brooks, Shawasha Hills, Umensdale, you name it. But we want to show you the middle uptown lifestyle and not necessarily the 1%.
Second left, check your right side. Okay, thanks. Okay.
So right now in Harare, there's a boom in the development of gated communities like this one, where modern condo apartments are available for short-term rentals like Airbnb, long-term rentals, and in some cases for purchase. Okay guys, so we're gonna take you inside one of the units and you'll get to see what it's like. I'm pretty sure I haven't been inside yet, but I'm pretty sure by the looks of outside, it's gonna be good. So let's get in. So yeah, come on in. It's gorgeous. Very beautiful decor. Can you tell we're in Zimbabwe? Very nice. Very comfy. The kitchen is pristine, designed for maximum use of space, and a hidden section where you can hide your dirty plates away from your visitors and do your laundry. So downside, one of the challenges that's most disruptive to life in Zimbabwe is the inconsistent, unreliable electricity supply. You gotta have one of these in Zimbabwe. Power cuts here are unbelievably frequent. To overcome this, most if not all residences uptown are fitted with solar panels and solar energy batteries that power electrical appliances when there's a power cut. So if you do move to Zimbabwe, you'll have to factor in a solar system as part of your costs. Now let's head upstairs to check out the bedrooms. I'm sure it's nice and comfy. Tons of closet space. This unit has 3 bedrooms, one of which is an ensuite, 1 standalone bathroom, and a guest toilet downstairs. This particular unit is furnished and well decorated as it's currently being used as an Airbnb. Look out for a future video where we'll delve more into the real estate options here in Zimbabwe and show you some of our favorite Black-owned places to stay. So if you stay here, there's a gym on site that you can come and work out in the morning, noon, afternoon, whatever time you like, because it's right in your yard. So let's head to the next stop. Our next stop is the Country Club. The Country Club is a one-stop haven for golfers. I'm here at the Country Club in Harare. If you're into golfing, this is a perfect place for you. Lovely for golfing. This is one place you could check out if you're ever in Harare. It's beautiful, serene, and perfect for our golfers. There are a number of restaurants on site. We particularly liked Lush. That's the only one we've eaten at before. But we learned today that there's actually a sushi restaurant upstairs, and I like sushi, so we'll check it out some other time. Lush is as its name suggests. Everything about the ambience, the aesthetic, and the food is lush and luxurious. The other restaurants are nice too, but some mostly serve as a rest stop for the golfers. So guys, before we lose sunlight, I just wanted to thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sharing and liking and subscribing and helping us get to almost 10K. I hope by the time this video is out, we would have gotten to 10K. If not, then help us get there. Anyway, what were we hoping to achieve by sharing the Uptown Downtown video? It's basically for those on the other side of the world who don't have a full appreciation of what life in Zimbabwe, in Africa, is like. It's not just animals and huts, you know, in the ancient way of living. There are many, many, many places that are becoming more developed, and people here in Africa, in Zimbabwe, attempt to have the same quality and standard of life that we do in the West. So this video is just trying to show that, and despite the challenges that exist in this country, the citizens really do try to make the best of the life that they have here. And if you do visit, you don't have to worry about, you know, will I have a nice place to stay? We've shown you that there are nice places. Will I have a nice place to eat? We've shown you that there are awesome restaurants for you to visit. So don't worry about it. There's lots to do here. Do visit, and thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and go watch our other videos and let us know which one is your favorite. We're almost hitting 10K subscribers, guys, so please help us get there by sharing our videos.